दरवाजा बंद है।
Just roll में।
Pratiksha, so finally you won the crown. What do you have to say?
I'm overwhelmed. Honestly, all the 5 participants were so great. I was not really expecting this, and this has come out of a shock. But
No, it's okay. Sit down.
to correct you first, it's Titiksha.
Titiksha.
Pratiksha.
Right.
Titiksha.
Pratiksha.
इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ साथ बताना।
Rolling.
So hello everyone, I am Titiksha, now OMG Face of the Year 2021,
दरवाजा बंद किया।
and I'm really grateful and fortunate to have this title with me, and I hope that I live on to it.
Parimati, before we go to the other contestants, पूरी एक journey रही, आज आप winner के साथ बैठे हैं. It's been your hard work. What do you like to say?
I'm just relaxed right now because it's over. I mean, the first season is just done. We're just starting their journey now. Though I know that I don't have time anymore for relaxation, but this journey has taught me a lot of things. It's taught me everything to do with how a talent is expecting, what are the talents, where are they coming from, what are their mindsets, and it's so beautiful that this journey could help us understand a lot of people, a lot of candidates, and there they are, the winners who are chosen by the jury and by the overall weightage of everything what they did right from the start till the end. We were very nervous till yesterday, who's going to be, who's not going to be the winner, because all 5, as I said, were winners for me. But I'm glad that whatever jury chose, whatever we have overall ratings, have really justified each and everyone who's won whichever positions. I'm really very relaxed, honestly speaking.
अनुष्का, आपकी कैसी रही journey पूरी?
I believe it was very great experience to learn.
सामने देख
और
के
हाँ, ये जर्नी मेरी जनवरी से शुरू हुई थी और दिसंबर में जाके ख़त्म हुई है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने के लिए मिली. बहुत सी चीज़ें आई बिलीव कि हमने आपस में सीखी. जो कंटेस्टेंट अब यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचे, हमने उनसे भी सीखी. सर ऑफ कोर्स वाज अ ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ही वाज थ्रू आउट द जर्नी, ही वाज pushing us, telling us what are the areas where we can improve. So yes, it was a great learning experience.
अनुष्का, आज second runner up है, आप announcement हुआ है, you won your space. पूजा, what do you have to say for that?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे सेकंड रनर अप की पोजीशन जीत के, क्योंकि सब ने मेरा काफ़ी हेल्प करी आगे बढ़ने के लिए. थैंक्स टू प्रमल सर, उन्होंने मेरी इतनी मदद करी, हम सबकी मदद करी, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाई हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए. थैंक यू.
आगे की क्या प्लानिंग है? क्या आप लोग कोई शो करने वाले हैं, टेलीविजन या फिल्म, वेब सीरीज? व्हाट इज योर प्लानिंग फर्दर? या रियलिटी शो स्प्लिट मिला?
अभी फ़िलहाल तो ये मोमेंट हम
जीना चाहिए
चाहिए
उसके बाद and
और
उसके बाद जो भी आगे
जो
रहता है.
हमारी राह में आए उसे ज़रूर, अगर आता है तो क्यों नहीं, बेशक.
Any other boys now?
Yeah.
But you
Thank you so much.
पूरी मेहनत रही. What do you have to say?
It's still at a loss of words to fathom that I've actually made it. It's been an incredible experience. All thanks to Parimal sir for actually starting this when there was scarcity of opportunities, when people were actually trying to reach out. We were in the middle of a pandemic, and sir had this brilliant idea to create a platform where people can explore their potential, and true talent can actually come out from anywhere, regardless of which city you are. It's just incredible. It's an incredible feeling. Thank you so much for asking.
I'm sure it's like a pride and moment of proud for you to take this forward now in life, the OMG crown. What do you have to say?
For me, it's a beautiful journey because for me, I'm a student of life. I love to gather and put experience in my catalog. So for me, it's a meeting, going through every round because it happened online. The whole concept was starting the online thing because of the lockdown. So I believe it's the right way of using the technology. Thanks to Parimal sir and the whole team, because it's such a beautiful concept to explore your own potential, to fill your gaps in some way. So I'm really thankful to the whole team. And for me, I would just say it's just a learning for me. It's a beautiful experience. And yes, it's just a new beginning. Thank you.
So Samantha, what's in store now next, going forward?
I am just a learner, so whatever best opportunity comes my way, I'm gonna take it after this, because I want to become an actor. I just try to hone my skills and into acting, so it's just a first step that I've taken.
Akshay, what do you have to say? I'm sure it's like a long year-long journey, right from virtual to reality now. What do you have to say?
मैम, इस कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए हम 1 साल से तैयारी कर रहे थे और
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा, ये जो जर्नी थी, हर स्टेप इसमें एक लर्निंग थी मेरे लिए. और OMG की टीम, परिमल सर, they all have been very supportive throughout and I have enjoyed the process. और आगे I am looking forward for more projects as I am into acting and modeling as well. So मैं आगे और opportunities के लिए वेट करूँगा.
Parimal ji, it's been so encouraging, you know. Where do you see your talent going forward from here?
Oh, the fact of starting OMG Face of the Year was to give a platform to all types of talent, be it from acting, be it from modeling, be it from singing, dancing, and that's the reason we had different types of contests, different types of levels. What I'm wishing is not only for my top 3 contestants today, but to all the top 10, top 20, top 40 who have been there, who learned something from this journey and taking it forward to different levels. All we are set to take these people, these fabulous talents ahead in different fields of dancing, acting, in the field of media, in the field of web series, movies. All we want is they grow by the next year. By the time they come for season 2 and crown the next people, as I always used to tell them yesterday, they start dreaming of the year 2 when you'll come and you'll crown. Is the time they are actually have achieved, and we also could show some AVs about them that this is their journey of 1 year. That's what I'm looking from them. I'm super excited for my boys as well.
Likewise, sir.
Can we have everybody for visuals now? Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Really, magnanimous show today. What do you have to say? Look in the center.
It's a wonderful experience for Top Up Nutrition, and the way the entire conceptualization has happened for digital fashion show is like, you know, we have never seen this happening, right? So all kudos goes to the entire team of OMG, and we are privileged to be part of this entire the event, right? And we look forward for encouraging new talent and those who are hungry for their passion to achieve, right? We always support them. Right? That's where the Top Up also believes. The Top Up in a life, whenever there is a less of micronutrients, you get that topped up by the Top Up Nutrition. Right? Thank you.
So what do you like to say?
Thank you very much to the organizers, OMG and the team. Absolutely wonderful program, and we are proud to be associated with the event which happened. And our product is for the youth, for the all ages, and the product is, you know, available 100% bioavailable effervescent tablets which can be had anytime, anywhere. Just drop, weight, and top up. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sure.
Last is jury and then we wind up. Jury, and we've got lovely contestants. What do you have to say?
I was just telling them, it's not about just the people who won. I think all of them have great potential, and it's not just limited to, you know, only the 2 ones who are going to place are going to go somewhere. All of them have a great amount of potential, and I think all of them are going to be able to generate enough activity and enough jobs in the modeling and fashion industry. I think they all had, I mean, they were amazing. And we're always looking for, like, you know, newer, fresher faces, and I think they fill those brackets.
Sunny, what would you like to say?
Actually the same thing what Bob has to say. सारे contestants बहुत प्यारे थे, बहुत ही उम्दा काम किया सबने, and in spite of not having physical training with us or with Wabis or even shooting with Dabbu ji is like such a big deal, right? It's a dream to be shot with Dabbu Ratnani, and some pictures were outstanding, and just all the best to all of them. They are all winners according to us, and absolutely phenomenal talent has come in the first season of OMG, and we are so proud that we are associated with OMG.
Kavita, you've been at the ramp and you've been so lovely at what you're doing, and today you saw the winners. What do you have to say?
First of all, congratulations to all the contestants who participated in this contest, OMG, Mr. Parimal Mehta, and Blank Canvas. It's commendable to have the first digital platform like that for them, and उन्होंने इतना hard work किया है. We have seen them from day one when they were filling the forms, when they were like 2,500 went to like 1,500 and 100 and 50, and we did the training online. So it's commendable कि ऐसे टाइम में उन्होंने इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है, and they all were lovely. They all were really, really lovely, and it's great to be associated with them, and I'm super happy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.